Woohoo! On to volume. Volume. Okay, we're learning volume of prisms and cylinders today. So volume. What's coming to mind? What is coming to your brains? A lot of us think length times width times height. That's volume. Basically, we're wondering how many of these little cubes can I fit into this prism here, right? So the easiest way to think of volume is the amount of space a figure occupies. How many cubic units can I fit into this figure? That's what you're doing. That's volume. So we have a very just generic formula for volume. So V equals big B times H. Okay, the V stands for volume, obviously. Big B stands for base area. So the area of the entire base, that's your big B, and H is the height of the solid. So find the area of your base and then multiply it by your height of the solid. So I know your notes don't really do this next example justice. It's not a very good picture how it got copied. But this is kind of what we're looking at here. We're looking at a rectangular prism with a cylinder cut out of the middle. Okay? So let's see here, folks. Should we start with the prism? Rectangular prism. That's all I'll abbreviate it. My RP. Rectangular prism. So we're finding the volume of it, right? So big B times our H. So we gotta find the base area of this prism. So if I trace out my base, what are the dimensions of my base? It is 5 by 5. Since you're not telling us, we're assuming it is just a square. So 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 gives us a base area of 25. Beautiful. Now, how tall is that rectangular prism? Well, it's 10. So now we're going to take that times 10. So now the volume of a rectangular prism is 225 times 10, which is a grand total of 250. Okay, don't forget about that. Now we gotta find the area, the volume of our cylinder. And again, same idea, base area times height. So let's find that base area. So our base, you guys remember, is a circle. How do you find the area of a circle? Pi r squared. What is our radius? It's 2, so pi 4 squared. I'm losing my mind. Pi 2 squared, which is 4. 4 times pi is about 12.56. Okay? And then, again, we're taking it times the height of that cylinder. Well, here's the height. Our height would be 10 as well. I'll drop this all the way down here to take it times our 12.56. So 125.7 approximately. I must have left exact in my notes. That's okay. Not a big deal, folks. Okay, anyways. So now that we have our two volumes, I think I cut out that cylinder from that rectangular prism, so we need to subtract. So our total volume here, we're going to subtract our two volumes. So 250 minus 125.7 gives us a grand total of 124.3 centimeters. Ooh. Okay, what's our unit? Since it's volume, it's cubic centimeters. So we'd be able to fit in 124 of those little cubes all the way around our solid. That's what that means. Okay, that's all we have for notes. Since it's basically finding area and then multiplying by the height of your solid. We'll do a bunch more together in class. But big idea, volume equals your base area times the height. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.